MnDOT has a new way of alerting you whenever certain highways or interstates close in your area.
It comes just in time. You think about it as we prepare for some winter issues to cause issues on our roads. Our Pauline Lee joins us in studio explaining and breaking down how this is going to work.
Yeah, we live in Minnesota. It's bound to happen this winter, right? Closed roads, those whiteout condition, closing roads across the state for hours, sometimes days. But it's not just weather impacts. You think about serious crashes that can also take significant amount of time to clear. The next time something like that happens, you might be getting an alert on your phone. So it's called a wireless emergency alert, and this is what it's going to look like. This actually uses the same system as an Amber Alert or tornado alerts, the ones that you get on your phone, the ones that you hear first. You'll hear this first, and then you'll see this message tell you about that road closure and then point you to 511 for more information. Now, not everyone is going to be getting this message. That's because the whole point is to notify the people who will be most likely directly impacted. MnDOT has the ability to set parameters around the road closures, and everyone within a certain radius, they'll automatically get that notification. The alert can also be tied to geolocation. That way, drivers coming close within a certain distance, say 10 miles or so of a road closure, you can still get that alert even hours after that closure has begun. Now, these alerts are also not for every single road closure. It has to be a big enough event to meet certain criteria for MnDOT to push an alert to your phone. For starters, it has to be an incident that shuts down a major roadway for at least 4 hours. And notice I say major roadway. If we take a look at the map of Minnesota, we have a big state, a lot of roads here. So MnDOT is actually focusing on the major highways and interstates in greater Minnesota. It's the ones, if we can pull up the map here, the ones here highlighted in yellow. And notice the metro is not included there. That's because, well, winter conditions don't necessarily shut down the roads in the Twin Cities. But when crashes do, we have plenty of ways of getting around it, plenty of alternate routes. That becomes harder when you move out to greater Minnesota. MnDOT says they hope the alerts will not only save you time, but also save your life.
We know that these roadways are closed for a reason, that the traveling on those roadways would be unsafe at that time because of the fact that our maintenance crews just can't keep up with the snowfall and the blowing snow and such like that. So it's really recommended to either, stay home, or if you're already on the road, seek some sort of place that you can take shelter.
Now, you can opt out of these alerts, but MnDOT cautions you from doing so. That's because it can be really helpful information at a time when you need it most. And remember, when you opt out of this, you're also opting out of the other alerts, those Amber Alerts, the crash alerts, the shelter-in-place alerts, tornado alerts. Those are very important informations to have.
Yeah. Right. They don't happen all that often, but when they do, you need to know them. All right, Pauline, thank you.